Mystery shopping involves posing as a real customer and recording the experience. Our clients will use the output to develop their teams and improve the service being delivered to their customers. There are many different ways to do this, including video, report-based and telephone, which can be done from the comfort of your own home. Video is the latest and most powerful way of mystery shopping. Performance in People work with over 60 world-class brands and complete in excess of 17,000 mystery shops every quarter, including 10,000 video mystery shops alone. Being a mystery shopper, every day is different. One day you could be looking at the latest smartphone and inquiring about a luxury holiday, and the next, test driving a high-end car. You will be able to bring out your inner spy using cleverly concealed covert equipment to record your experience. Once you have completed your mystery shop visit, all you need to do is complete a simple report and upload your video footage to an online Performance and People portal. Your visit will go through our quality control process at PIP headquarters before it is made available to the client. Being a mystery shopper is flexible, fun and a fantastic way to be your own boss, choosing when and where you work.